What you watching, Matthew?
Yes. It's not doing it anymore. Yes.
Did he get it in?
Yes.
What do you get, Matthew? What are you watching? What is it? That's right, golf. Did he get it in the hole? Did he get it in the hole?
There it goes. Yeah. Here it comes. Here it comes. It's coming.
Did he get it in?
It's coming. They're talking. Hold on. I know, this part's boring. Here it goes. Yes! Yes!
Did he get it in the hole?
Butter. Yes! Do it!
What you watching, Matthew? What is that?
Yeah!
Did he get it in? Oh.
Uh-oh.
Did he get it in again? Huh? You don't like it when they talk.
Yes! Yes! Please go.
What you watching, bud? Golf, that's right. Did he get it in? Oh my goodness. Oh. That's crazy. What do you think? What do you like to play, Matthew? That's right. Let's see what it is.
Butter.
Ooh. Did you get it in?
Yes!
You're not showing it anymore? That's golf. Let's go see Morgan. Megan. I can't believe I just said that. I haven't said it in so long.
Go! Yes! Yes!
Oh my goodness. What is that? Is that a putter? Let's go see Megan.
Here, mommy's way. Mommy's in your way. Football.
Oh, Megan's so tired. She didn't sleep all day. Oh. And she has to go to the bathroom. Poor girl. Megan. Megan. Hi, Megan. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Aww. You poor little girl. Oh, you gonna talk to mommy? Yeah. Oh, you're okay. Oh, sweetie. Oh, okay, I'll pick you up. Oh. Okay. Matthew, stop that. Say goodbye. Bye. Say bye.